Welcome to Unit 2 of Abnormal Psychology. The title of this unit is Psychological Models of Abnormality. This is session number 8. It focuses mainly on the psychodynamic model, view, or perspective of abnormality. Learning objectives of this session are understanding of the psychodynamic model of abnormality, understanding the basic principles of psychodynamic view or model of abnormality, understanding the contribution of various people or psychologists into this particular field, trying to relate the psychodynamic concepts to the present day scenario. Session outcomes. The outcomes of this session number 8 are knowledge of the psychodynamic view or model of abnormality, the knowledge of the basic principles or concepts of psychodynamic model, contribution of the various psychologists to this particular field, relation between psychodynamic concepts and the present day scenario. Now let's start our discussion of the psychodynamic model of abnormality. Psychodynamic model is one of the important school of thought in psychology. It focuses mainly on the inner forces in determining one's personality and behavior. Their primary focus is on the unconscious mind or the unconscious thoughts, motives, and conflicts in shaping our behavior and personality. In the next slide, people who have contributed greatly to this field are Sigmund Freud, Karen Horney, Carl Jung, Alfred Adler, Sullivan, and others. However, the founding father of psychodynamic view is Sigmund Freud. Okay. Next slide. Here we are going to try to understand how people or the psychologists differ in their opinion in this particular field, but still they have consensus with regard to three important facts. First thing is psychic determinism. All psychologists in this field believe that the behavior or personality is very much determined by the intra-psychic force. Okay, it is not freely chosen by any person. Next point, believe that these forces are influenced by the unconscious, or rather they operate at an unconscious level which an individual will not be aware of. Thirdly, the form these forces are going to take will be greatly influenced by one's childhood experiences as well as their relationship with their family. These are the three important things or similarities that we see among the various theorists in this particular field. The next slide. Psychoanalysis conveys two meanings. One is that it is a theory of personality that was formulated by Freud and later on modified and also evolved during the period of other psychologists. Psychoanalysis is also a mode of treatment for psychological disorders. Next, let's move on to the summary of this particular session. Here to summarize, psychodynamic perspective is an important perspective in psychology. The founding father of psychodynamic view is Sigmund Freud. However, there are other people who have contributed greatly to this particular perspective. There are three important beliefs which are conveyed by all these theorists: psychic determinism, the role of the unconscious, and the importance of childhood experiences and relationship with one's family. Psychoanalysis conveys two meanings. One is that it is a theory of personality as well as it is a mode of treatment. Thank you.